Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be playing Slix.io, which is this game that you do stuff. Well done me for explaining that so well. After I'm going to play Slither.io, which is, you probably know. You'll see how to play anyway, and my name's going to be I'm a llama, so congratulations. Ooh, I'm this ugly colour. Wow. In fifth place is 6. Killing you, and I'm gonna kill. No, I didn't. Where am I? Oh my god, I can't control. For a second, I thought I was dead. So I'm pretty depressed right now. So sorry if I don't seem very happy, but that's just me. I'm actually depressed right now. No reason why. Well, there is a reason, of course, but you don't need to know. I'm gonna claim a really big amount. Okay, let's get that. Oh my gosh, I just got to rank 24 out of 48 people. So basically, if you haven't played this before, you kind of have to claim as much land as you can, and if you find if to say the thing is another one of what I'm doing, and they run into you, then you die basically. I don't know. It's better than dying. It's just nah. Actually, it's not better than dying. It's definitely not better than dying. It's just like you're eliminated basically. Also, there's a storm here at the moment, so I've got a cold. And I am pretty cold. And the power might go out soon. Oh crap, I'm dead. No, I'm not. I didn't die. Wow, I'm proud of myself. Excuse me. Out of my way, thank you very much. Killed him! You thought you were better than me? Well, you weren't, so suck that up. Geez, look, I'm like the queen. 14. I need to get to 10th. At least. Well, actually, I need to get to first. So, I'm like the queen of the Splix.io world. Gonna kill you and you, even though there's nobody there. I'm so funny. How did I just get to 15 out of 42? That's not fair. That is not fair. In fact, I'm gonna complain about that. Okay, I think I'm gonna get to a bigger rank. Just 13. Okay, I'm getting there. I'm making it. I need to take over Zed. Okay, let's claim a big amount of land. Okay, I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. And let's go down and in. I'm still 12th? What? That's not fair. Oh, 10th. I'm a llama is 10th place with 500. I'm 9th. Oh my god, I'm 9th. I'm 9th. How exciting is that? Okay. I'm 8th. I'm 8th. I'm 8th. I'm gonna claim a huge amount of land. I'm what's it called? That thing. 7th. Okay, I'm not 7th anymore. Somebody really mean did something really mean. Oh my gosh, I'm going over to there. I'm not staying around the other people. It's too risky. It's just way too risky. Oh, there's somebody there. Let's go all the way up to the top of my thing. I'm 6th place. If I die now, I'll be so mad. Jeez, I need to go really far now. I'm just below 6 if you're looking on the leaderboard. Because you should, otherwise you probably think that I'm just talking randomly about things. Okay, I hate social media. That was so random. Okay, yeah, no reason. Let's claim a big amount of land again. I want to get to first. I'm desperate to get to first. I want to get to 0 if they even have a 0. Okay, that's someone else. I thought that was me for a second. You fooled me, Vomit Green. Oh gosh. You thought you were so good, but you weren't. So, haha, got you. Don't really know what to say. I already used my savage modes things. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have such a bad cold and it is not even funny. Not that it would ever be funny. I'm 4th place. I'm like the best. Well, not the best because that's first, but I'm gonna be there pretty soon. So don't even tell me what to do. There's the border, and almost got killed by the border. I'm pretty sure you get killed by the border if you go into it. Right? Right? Yeah, right. Jimmy, I'm coming for you. Okay. Let's take a really big man of land. Oh my god, that scared me. I thought I was dead. But luckily, I wasn't. Okay. Let's go claim this land. If I didn't move up, I'm gonna be so sad. I didn't! What the hell? Oh, he's like really far. He's like, he's real good. Oh, now there's somebody in front of me and in front of him. No, wait, not, no, but I can't even speak anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, that scared me so bad. I hate it when you crap. Ah, you think you're so good? Well, you're actually not, so just go away. What the hell was that noise? I don't even know. Oh yeah, he killed himself. Cause he... Sorry, that was just my fear kicking in. And like, when it happens, I make weird noises, so... Today's one was... Whee! That was really weird and really creepy, and now I'm actually scared of myself. Honestly. Someone's called Miss Kitty Cat. Loser list. Oh my god, I saw that person before. And they're actually not on the loser list, so. Yeah. I'm like so big. I don't even believe that there's someone bigger than me. Wait, how the hell did that happen? What the? I'm kind of confused, but sure. Okay, this should make it go to both sides. Or not. I don't know what I did wrong, but for some reason this part's like hollow. Okay. Well. Oh my god, I'm 3rd. Oh my god, Jimmy must... Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm leaving, and I don't even want to talk about it. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and it took a while, but I made it, and I calmed down after running into the border when I was almost at number 1. I'm mad at myself, and I'm mad at this stupid little computer that always makes me die in games. But anyway, I'm gonna play Slither.io now because I seem to be better at it, and I did build my Slither the other day. I just always use it. It's just this green. Sorry, I'm not that well. Donald Trump, you know what? Let's kill you. Let's let you die. Well, that failed, like usual. But anyway, I'm gonna be good in this game. I'm going to kill as many people as I can. Some food. Food. This place seems to be the right place to be. Yum, I'm a worm and I like my food, whatever these things are. I wish they had a name because I don't... Well, maybe they do have a name, but I'm just dumb, probably. That's usually how it is. Okay. Oh, thank you for killing yourself and donating yourself to my mouth. I keep thinking that I'm in Slither, I'm in Splixio still, so... But nope. Oh, that's probably because I spent so long being that green thing and now I'm green again. I don't think I make any sense, but you know what? I don't care. How dare you, Waffle? I'm gonna get you. You know that? I'm gonna get you. I'm coming for you. I'm gonna look out for that Waffle. Oh. Why am I so bad at games like this? Why? Why? Now, where are all the people? Oh yeah, this way. In the middle. Usually. So, if you want to find where the people are, go to the middle, because that's usually where they are. But yeah, do you want to die? Well, too bad. You didn't have a choice. Okay. Well, that failed. Okay. Ghost Leatherford. Don't know who you are. Don't care. Waffle was like red and white. Big one. I like killing the big ones. I like taste the rainbow. Oh my god, you're beautiful. Oh my god. You're just like wow. You're just like a diddly rainbow. I don't care about stupid ants, and I already know what the heck that is. That did not. Oh, woo! Oh, shiny. Oh my god, I need some of this stuff. Oh, you shouldn't hog that. You should share it, silly old silver and blue. I have to admit though, you look pretty cool. As if they're gonna watch my video. No. Well, swallow this. Sure, I'll swallow you, if that's what you mean. I like sticking around the big ones in case they die. Okay. Please die. I'm begging you. That sounds so mean. But I am mean. Okay. Oh my god. Look what I just found. Oh my god. What just died? Because I am going to be rich now. I'm going to eat you all. I'm going to be a big, beautiful monster that eats. Wow! Turns out I'm not going to be a big, beautiful monster. But instead, other people are. With my body. So technically I still will be. But oh well. Oh, I'm going to kill you. And then everybody's going to feast on your beautiful pink stomach. Or you could eat me. That's another thing. Oh, I'm so bad at this, but I just love playing it. So addicting, you know. Isn't it just so addicting when you get to be a worm? Like, you've always wanted to be a worm, and then finally you get to be one. Haha, you're playing the noob way, aren't you? Great, great, great. Maybe green's just not my lucky color. I'll just build my own slither. I'll just build a great slither. What about purple? Purples are beautiful colors, and purple's always the best. They always make you feel better because everyone likes purple, right? Yeah, so what could go wrong being purple? Okay, I'm looking beautiful, so fancy, so delighting, so gorgeous. I'm just gonna rock everybody. Okay, save. Let's go. Boss llama in the house. Okay, I've got 2 minutes left to record, and I'm not ready to die. So, geez, the storm's getting bigger and bigger. Fun fact, in 2008, there was a really big storm here, and my grandma, she lives next door, and she's got a really big house, and her roof came off because the winds were so strong, and it was 140, I don't know what you call winds, but 140 k or something. And today is supposed to be the same, so goodbye roofs. Goodbye roofs. Food. Okay. Well, anyway, that brings me to the point where I'm going to end this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure and like this video and subscribe down below to become a member of the... Can someone comment down below and tell me what I should call my little squad thing? Because I have no idea. We could be the llama squad, I guess. The llama squad. Sounds pretty good. Okay. But if you have any better ideas, then just suggest them, or you can message me, or you can talk to me on MSB, like, yeah. Or if you're my best friend, like Kalia, you can just ring me up and we can just talk. So, yeah. Bye.